We're tracking some more breaking news coming in at this hour. This is information coming in from Madhya Pradesh's Indore. This is in context of the Indore contaminated water deaths. In the latest that we're tracking, the Lok Sabha leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has met with the water contamination victims. Apart from this, the LOP has also reviewed the ground situation in Madhya Pradesh. Remember that this was in context of the deaths that had occurred due to contaminated water. Apart from this, Rahul Gandhi has also visited the affected locality and has promised to give 1 lakh rupees to the deceased kin. This is the latest that we're tracking at this hour. Well, on this, you have my colleague Tanushree Desai joining us on the broadcast. Tanushree, walk us through the details. We're understanding that the leader of opposition has flown down to Madhya Pradesh to meet with the victims of the Indore water contamination.
So in Madhya Pradesh, Indore, Bhagirathpura area of Indore has been severely affected by drinking contaminated water. Many people have died. Many people are still hospitalized. So now the member of opposition party, Rahul Gandhi, has arrived in Indore. Apparently, he went to Bombay Hospital, met the patients, and now I can show you how, if you can see how Rahul Gandhi has met a family in Indore, Bhagirathpura area. This is the house of Geeta Bai, where Rahul Gandhi has met the families of affected people. And now we'll be going to second house that is the next behind this place. So I'll show you visuals from Bhagirathpura area where the people have been surrounding the area, and regularly Congress party have been questioning, Congress party have been protesting against contaminated water. It's been affected many people's life over here in the city. And now I will show you how they have arrived in Bhagirathpura.
Victims' family visuals present on your screens at the moment. Remember, like my colleague was telling you, that Rahul Gandhi is in Bhagirathpura where he's meeting the victims of the Indore water contamination tragedy. Well, going back to my colleague Tanushree on this, Tanushree, walk us through the details. You were mentioning about how the leader of opposition is currently in Indore. He's met with the contamination victims and their families, and he's also promised them 1 lakh rupees.
Yeah, actually in Bhagirathpura area where the people of affected people, like I can show you how the people are over here. And also Rahul Gandhi has promised him 1 lakh rupees to the people who have been affected with this case with Bhagirathpura being a contaminated water case. And after that, he had a conversation with the people of the families who died in this case, and also along with that, I'll be trying to have a conversation with the residents what they are saying now after so many days. भैया मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, इतने दिन बीत चुके भागरथपुरा में जो हादसा हुआ था,
ये चेंबर का पानी पी रहे इतने सालों से, कितनी जनता मर गई हमारे भागरथपुरे की।
अभी हालात कैसे है?
अभी भी ऐसे ही हालात है। बाहर का तुम क्या कर रहे हैं? सो रहे हैं, नींद निकाल रहे हैं, और क्या हो गया?
जो यहाँ के पार्षद है ना, मतलब ये दिक्कत करीब 6 महीने से आ रही है, और चाहिए साफ सफाई के लिए उससे कम से कम इनको 100 टाइम्स मिलाया गया था। इस चीज की शिकायत हमने बराबर की पार्षद सबको, लेकिन उन्होंने
अच्छा, आज राहुल गांधी जी यहाँ पर आए हैं मुलाकात करने के लिए। आगे क्या लगता है, काम सुधार कार्य होंगे?
क्या नहीं हो सकता? अब बीजेपी का ही पानी में
बीजेपी है, यहाँ के चीफ मिनिस्टर बीजेपी के, एमएलए बीजेपी के, सांसद बीजेपी के, पार्षद बीजेपी के। तो बदलाव के बारे में तो मैं कुछ टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन इतना कहूंगा कि सरकार में बदलाव जरूर होना चाहिए।
So you can see how people are having anger over here because as he said, for past 6 months they have been drinking contaminated water. They have been complaining, but no any single responsible person came here to answer the questions they had. And also with that, for past 6 months they have been facing this issue of contaminated water. Congress is regularly protesting. Congress is regularly questioning BJP, the MLAs, and also the parsons of this area that why the work have not been done over here. Why still people are forced to drink contaminated water? Still many people are hospitalized. Still many people are getting affected by drinking this contaminated water. Yeah.
I also wish to understand from you, since you've already mentioned that Rahul Gandhi, in fact, arrived at the hospital to meet with the victims, what exactly is the figure that we're looking at this hour? There seems to be people who are still getting treated for, of course, the kind of, the problems, the health problems that they are suffering because of the contaminated water. What exactly does the figure look like?
So Rahul Gandhi today went to Bombay Hospital, met the patients who have been hospitalized over there. But still, there are many people who have died. many people who have faced this issue. Till now, 23 people have died due to drinking contaminated water. Still, many people are hospitalized in Bombay hospital. But still now, the health facilities are present over here. Many people are still coming over here with the problems of vomiting or diarrhea. So now also, if you are talking about the situations in Bhagirathpura, this situation right now is also not been completely normalized. Right now also there have been repair works going on over here.
Talking about repair works, of course, this is devastating information coming in from Indore. You mentioned that as many as 23 people have passed away. There are more people that are being treated for, of course, the health issues that they are facing because of the water. How exactly are the people drinking water right now? Because you said that the repair works are on, but they're not complete even as of now.
So let me inform you, yesterday Mayor Pushpamitra Bhargava came in this area to see how the works have been done. So in his conversation with the media, he told us 30% area has now been restored with water facilities, and the Narmada pipeline is supplying water to 30% area of this Bhagirathpura area. But still he has saying people to drink water by boiling, and also he drank water to make people sure that the water over here is completely pure. Talking about the supply, even now the government tankers are coming over here. The people are ordering RO water supply so that they